ASES Prep is just about empowering students for positive change. It's not about just wanting to teach their kids. It's about breaking the vicious cycles of poverty, of low income, and really taking on something bigger and better than what they've been used to.
This gift will last forever. This gift will never let you down. Some things are made from better stuff. This gift is waiting to be found. Your heart's in wide receiving. Been too long buried in the sand. Some things require believing. This gift will fall right in your hand. Try to understand.
Hi, my name is Kathy Michaud. I'm the site lead at Foster Road Elementary in La Mirada. This is my third year in the program, and each year just gets better and better. We keep improving what we're doing for our students. Our big goal this year is literacy. Everything we're doing with our students is designed to build their literacy skills and achieve our ultimate goal of 9 out of 10 students reaching grade level.
Okay, so do you know what that word means? No. Percentage? No. Okay, let's try and use these concepts to figure it out. Okay? To give us a hint of what it might be.
Ash, wandered, grove, asleep.
Another thing we will notice by the table of contents in a book is that it has what titles of things, and it has what? Julissa.
ASES Prep is an incredible place, and the reason for that is because of the people. All of our educators, everybody on our leadership team is dedicated to the students first, and that's not always something that you find in education, which is why it's sort of a jewel. Just imagining a space where everybody around you is compelled to make significant change, a significant contribution to the community.
We learned about recycling, how to use recycled materials. So these are juice boxes from the juices we drink during our snack. And these are water bottles that I've used and the kids have used, so we just saved it. We paper mache on this lovely orange table here. And the kids did 2 layers and then they got to paint.
I am learning about Yanomami and an Amazon and Chevron done oil in the Amazon. They're spilling a lot of toxic in the Amazon, and a lot of people are dying because of it.
There could be feelings, just anything that comes to your head when you think about the word home. A cat, okay, I like that. Delilah. A phone. Can we imagine being without our bed?
No.
No?
Yes.
Can we imagine being without feeling maybe the love?
Yes.
Or being without cozy?
Yes.
Okay, now we can take away 1, 2, 3. What if we take away like half of it? Like, raise your hand, okay? What if we take away half of it? Like, what do you think some of those feelings? Someone raise my hand and tell me what you think our new social justice is going to be about. Just based on what you saw right now, what do you think our social justice is going to be about? Poverty, yes. It's about
paper. We watch aluminum, we watch plastic bottles, and we watch glass. But this one is an extra one, just to kind of show you guys how the marbles were being made.
These furnaces use masses of gas to make an enormous amount of heat. So, it's not a bad idea to close the oven door and save some energy.
For me, ASES Prep, it represents like a home away from home for children, or for the most part, sometimes a home that they may not have at home. Just having that safe haven for them to pursue something that's really dear to their heart.
Starting at such a young age, we are giving them the tools that they will need to become solutionaries, to lead this world to something that's even bigger than what we are now. So this program there just aren't enough words to describe how amazing that the entire team is.
Education, awareness, all those things.
Sweet company.